This winter storm next week could bring snow and severe weather to the south and then a nor'easter to the northeast. We are currently dealing with a severe winter storm moving across the east. More snow and rainfall is expected to move into the Pacific Northwest this weekend, and temperatures in the central and eastern US look to plummet soon. Let's talk about the weather. We will be watching a system dive down to the southeast and then move up the coast next week, likely between Tuesday and Thursday. The latest Euro does see the potential for feet of snow through the mid-Atlantic. We're still about 140 to 150 hours out though. This storm still does have the potential to wobble potentially off the coast or a little bit more inland, which would potentially put this area in the rain shield. So for people who like snow here, let's hold off on the hype. There is a signal there, but we need more time. This does have the potential to put some good snow into the south as well. Some of the models even have this snow line a little bit farther to the south. And as of right now, Nebraska, Kansas, Missouri, and northern Arkansas could see a lot of snow from this system as well. I'll keep you guys updated. This weekend, we will see a strong, severe winter storm move across the east. This is our latest severe weather outlook from the Storm Prediction Center. Of course, anyone down here needs to make sure they have a way to get weather alerts. We could see EF2 plus tornadoes in this area. Strong hail and potentially winds associated with this squall line as well. I'm especially concerned with northeastern Louisiana through Mississippi, but everyone in this area needs to be weather alert. I'd expect the most serious weather to really start kicking in late into Saturday, I would say between 4 to 6 p.m. and then through Sunday morning. Flash flooding will also be a serious issue down here, especially in some of the mountainous regions in Kentucky and West Virginia, where we could see 5 to 6 inches of rainfall over a very short period of time. And when it comes to freezing rain on Sunday, coastal Maine, southern Vermont and New Hampshire, portions of upstate New York, Massachusetts, Connecticut, and portions of PA as well, we're probably going to want to stay off the roads. Our heaviest snow is still expected to fall in inland New England, with potentially 3 to 5 inches through this region. I do think New York City will struggle to see an inch or two just because of the mixing down there. Boston, 3 to 5 inches though is possible. Portions of northern Indiana, northeastern Illinois, and Wisconsin could see 3 to 6 inches. The heaviest snowfall though does look like it's going to be in north and eastern Michigan, where we could see 7 to 12 inches of snow, potentially in northern Ohio as well. We are expecting another system to move into the Pacific Northwest this weekend, dropping a decent amount of snow in our high elevation regions and down into the Rockies, and potentially a few inches of rainfall along the Washington and Oregon coast. Lastly, as we move into the beginning and especially the middle of next week, we could see some record temperatures in this area. You're seeing our European model right now highlight a large area of 40 to 50 degrees below average. In wind chill terms, that leads to this entire region potentially seeing negative 20 to negative 30 degree temperatures. And our Climate Prediction Center has highlighted the central and eastern portions of the US to stay cold through the end of February, especially the Far East. This is all the way through the end of February. I appreciate you guys watching this video. If you like this type of content, feel free to throw me a follow or sub. I make posts like this every single day and I stream every single night. I'll see you in the next video.